This high-end, custom-built home of nearly 3,000 square feet is beautifully designed. Situated in a fantastic neighborhood, just minutes away from Tigard and Lake Oswego shops, parks, and restaurants, you'll love this convenient location. Heading inside, discover a gorgeous entryway with wood floors leading to the inviting living room with a custom gas fireplace, built-ins, and large windows providing tons of natural light. The gourmet kitchen features a center island, quartz countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances, a stylish backsplash, and a large walk-in pantry. You'll find a home office or converted 5th bedroom plus a full bath on this main level. Upstairs, double doors open to the spacious primary suite, complete with an upscale bathroom featuring a soaking tub, a tiled shower, and a walk-in closet with built-ins. An oversized bonus room is perfect for a second entertaining space. You'll find 3 additional bedrooms with walk-in closets, another full bath, and an abundance of storage space throughout the home. Entertain on the covered patio while enjoying the fully fenced backyard, and an invisible fence is installed around the entire property. You'll have room for all of your toys in the 3-car garage. A captivating, custom-built home in a great neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.